thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waterloo, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Watertown, Hartford,